Wanna go get my tire for me?
What?
Yeah, dude. Whee! No, sir. She's gone. They cracked or something. Found her, boys. Show you the damage now in a minute.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
For some reason, happy.
Hey, going again for another ride, boys. Got the 250SX again, the 250 Bigred. And for the first time, we got a 200X here this time.
Did you rebuild the suspension in this?
Me and the brothers found a wicked trail the other day. So we're gonna head off, me and the boys, and go for a nice drive otherwise, man. Beautiful trail, beautiful day. Let's get it. Your light's working.
The wiper start's not working though.
Is it in neutral?
Oh yeah.
That's weird. And we got some technical difficulties. The gear lever happened to come off the buddy's bike. Okay, it looks fixable though, at least. So we're in gear, boys. Little tiny quick stop, pit stop, you know what I mean? Gotta fix some things every now and then. Couple bikes coming behind us. Let's get it, boys.
Dude, that's fun.
Yeah. not good, dude. I don't think you should do that. See if we can get this on the go. It's late. Got the problem figured out, boys. Had to warm up the battery to keep the heat. She was off of the moisture, so we're gonna try to water tight her now and get her going again. Got an update. No light on the bike still. A little bit. Not much. Is there? Yo, my back tire just fucking came off. Literally, dude. Look at this shit. Holy fuck. Fucking Aaron. I'm gonna need a hand, buddy. Look how good my bike looks. Look how good it looks. Look at the other side. You wanna go get my tire for me?
What?
Yeah, dude. Gone. It passed me.
The hub come off?
Dude. No, sir. She's gone. They cracked or something. Holy fuck, man.
Dude. Let's see if I can find it.
Oh my god. I'm gonna whack this home. It went straight there. Boys, that was fucked. It would have went like this past. Fuck, man. That's insane, boys. Found it, boys. Show you the damage now in a minute. I don't know. Anyway, gotta get this home. Low rider, boy. Holy fuck, boys. Oh man. So we got her in the garage. I ended up hurting myself a little bit bringing her home. So I went in, grabbed the cheese with a sandwich, and everything was okay, you know. But yeah, so that's the Bigred there. She don't look too bad, but Just a big red tire there though. So the axle snapped in half. The axle is still poking out of that end, but it snapped over here. I'm gonna have to replace the rear end, but I kind of knew I was gonna have to do that anyway, so I didn't really worry about doing more damage on the way home. It wasn't like 10 seconds earlier. I was flying down the road 5th gear to the pin, like going down the roads that I normally go down, right? Or 10 minutes earlier, like anything like that. I'm lucky. That's all I can say. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Thank you.